The Nut Milk Maker NM8000 offers incredible versatility with its 8 preset programs, making it a comprehensive solution for crafting a variety of plant-based beverages. Its 24-hour delay start function allows users to plan ahead and enjoy freshly made drinks at their convenience, perfect for those with busy schedules. The advanced blade technology effortlessly processes dry ingredients, eliminating the need for soaking and making the preparation of almond milk and other beverages ultra-smooth. With intuitive touch controls, users can seamlessly switch between hot and cold modes, enabling the creation of everything from icy milkshakes to warm rice paste. The self-cleaning feature simplifies maintenance by using high-temperature water to dissolve residues, ensuring the stainless steel chamber remains spotless with minimal effort. The compact design of the Nut Milk Maker NM8000 makes it an ideal addition to any kitchen, fitting easily on countertops and enhancing the culinary experience with its multifunctional capabilities.